Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a good day to all. My name is Nur Aina Najiha binti Azizan along with my supervisor Dr. Nur Ilyah and also my fellow examiners. Today I would like to present about the school security system using RFID. This is the overview part, which is introduction, literature review, methodology project, requirements and analysis design, and also conclusion. The problem background of this project is, nowadays crime is common. This state of affairs occurs not only involving adults, however frequently occurs to children as well. Although every college has guards who patrol the college grounds 24 hours a day, it is not enough to monitor students. To overcome this problem, the authorities need to grant extra protection measures. Some parents do not have time to send and pick up children to school. Children have to go to school by bus, bicycle, or on foot. Every child who goes to and from school alone without being monitored by their parents is more vulnerable to danger along the way. In addition, the information received by parents is also slow when anything happens to the children, such as an accident or being involved in a criminal case. This is the project aim, which is the main purpose of this project is to develop a school security system database for student attendance linked with RFID device. The project objective is to analyze the requirements needed to develop the proper system for effective school security system using RFID. Besides, to design a system that provides multiple features to provide real-time notification when problems occur and prevent unauthorized people from entering school. Then, to develop a school security system using RFID based on the specified requirements. And lastly, to test a school security system using RFID among target users. Furthermore, the project scope is the project focus on selected students entering the main entrance in the tested area, and students has to provide a sample tag with their identification card. Besides, sample will be taken from each class of approximately 5 students per class. The short message service, which is SMS system received by parents, only includes the entry time and kiss time as properly as checking attendance. The technology used for develop this project for front end, I use C#. Then for the back end, I use PHP, MySQL, and also Apache Server. The methodology that I use in this project, which is iterative methodology. What is meant by iterative methodology? In the iterative methodology, we start with an initial planning, then we proceed to the planning part and requirements, then we make an analysis and design, then we implement the project. After we implement the project, we deploy the project, then we test the project. Lastly, we make an evaluation. For the hardware requirement, I use RAM, which is 4 GB, and for the processor, I use Intel Core processor, and for the operating system, I use Windows 10. Besides for the software requirement, I use Windows 10, which is operating system that installed in the computer. For the Google Chrome, the browser to run the system and to search information. Besides Bracket, software that was used to develop the code for the function system and interface. XAMPP web server, local server to run and test the system database connection. And lastly, PHP-MyAdmin, software tools written in PHP for handling the administration of MySQL through the web. This is the use case diagram for this project, which is for the use case I have login, add class, add students, update students, view arrival time, student details, log out, and also scan RFID tags. For the actors, I have 3 actors, which is admin, parent, and school authority. For the system architecture, I have home page. When the user go to the home page, they should log in the page, which is they should enter the ID and the password. After that, for the admin login, they can access add class, add student, update students, and view arrival time. Then for the school login, they can scan the RFID. Then they should enter in time and out time. For the parent logins, they can access student details and also the arrival time. Besides, after they enter all the use case, they can The field registration detail will go to the database, into the database. After all that, they can log out the session. This is my prototype of user interface. This is the home page, which is there have home button, about button, and also the record arrival. This is for the school authority. They don't have to log in for the page or sign up for the page. Then this is the student arrival interface, which is the school authority will enter the ID card. Then it automatically record the arrival time and also the out time. And this is their admin page, which is they have a add class button, add student button, view student button, view arrival button, and also the view leave details button, which is if their admin want to add the class, they should press the add class button, and if they want to add the student, they should click add student button. And also if they want to view the student also, they can go to the view student button, and if they want to see the arrival time of the student, they can view the arrival. Then they also can view the leave details of the student. And lastly, this is their parent page interface. In the parent page interface, there have a student profile, student arrival, and also leave notification. The parent can access all the student profile and all the student arrival time. Then the notification that have sent to the parent. This whole project is designed for the safety of the school-going students. The system is more secure than any past security system. The authority of the school provided a unique identification number among every student. They can enter the school by scanning their own card and the data will be recorded in the administration. If anyone remains absent, an automated SMS will be sent by the database system to his or her guardian. The administrator has the power to open the gate by pressing a special button which is set previously in the administration. And also, parents will have to get their child after the school by pressing their RFID card which is provided before. So that I propose to do the school security system using RFID. I think that's all from me. Thank you.